Good morning. Thank you for calling Bright Smiles Dental Clinic. This is Emma speaking. How may I help you today?
Hello, Emma. My name is David. I would like to make an appointment, please.
Of course, David. I can certainly help you with that. Are you an existing patient at our clinic, or is this your first time with us?
This will be my first time. I am a new patient. I just moved to this neighborhood a few months ago, and I am looking for a new dentist. A colleague at my work recommended your clinic very highly.
That is wonderful to hear. We love getting recommendations from our happy patients. We are always happy to welcome new patients to our dental family.
I am glad to hear that. So, I would like to schedule an appointment for a routine checkup and a cleaning, please.
A checkup and a cleaning. Perfect. That is the best way to get started with a new dental clinic. I can find an appointment for you right now. Now, since you are a new patient, the first thing I will need to do is to create a new file for you in our system. Would that be okay?
Yes, of course. Whatever you need.
I will just need to get a few basic personal details from you. Could you please give me your full name first?
Certainly. My full name is David Chen.
David Chen. Thank you. And could you please spell your last name for me, just to make sure I have it correct in our system?
Of course. It is spelled C-H-E-N.
C-H-E-N. Got it. Thank you. And what is your date of birth, David?
My date of birth is April 15th, 1998.
April 15th, 1998. Perfect. And finally, I will need a contact phone number and an email address for you so we can send you reminders about your appointment.
My phone number is 555-2468, and my email address is david.chen@email.com.
Okay, thank you for all that information, David. Your new patient file has been created. I am now looking at our appointment schedule.
Great. I am ready to find a time that works.
To help me find the best slot for you, could you please tell me what days of the week are generally best for your appointments?
The days of the week. Well, I work from Monday to Friday from 9 in the morning until 5 in the evening. So a weekday is possible, but it is not ideal because I would have to take time off from work.
I understand. Do you have any flexibility in your work schedule?
Not very much. The best time for me during the week would be a very late afternoon appointment, maybe after 4 o'clock. Otherwise, a Saturday would be the easiest option for me. Are you open on Saturdays?
We are. We are open from 9 in the morning until 1 in the afternoon on Saturdays. However, our Saturday appointments are extremely popular, and they are usually booked up many, many months in advance.
So, a Saturday appointment is probably not possible anytime soon.
Let me just check the schedule for you. The first available Saturday appointment we have for a new patient is in 3 months in December.
In December? That is a very long time to wait. I was hoping to have a cleaning a little sooner than that. Okay, so let's go back to the idea of a late weekday afternoon.
I think that is a good idea. Those appointments are also very popular, but we might be able to find something for you a little bit sooner. Let me look at the schedule for the next few weeks.
Thank you for checking for me. I appreciate it.
You are very welcome. I am looking now. Yes, it looks like we had a cancellation for a new patient appointment in early October. There is a slot available on Tuesday, October 7th at 4:30 in the afternoon. Would that time work for you?
Tuesday, October 7th at 4:30. Let me just check my work calendar. Yes, I think I can make that work. That would be perfect.
Wonderful. I will book that for you now. So that is an appointment for David Chen on Tuesday, October 7th at 4:30 p.m.
That is great. Thank you. Now, I have a question about the appointment itself. You said it is for a checkup and a cleaning. What does that actually include? What should I expect during my visit?
That is an excellent question. It is always good to be prepared. A new patient visit has a few different parts.
Okay.
The first part of your appointment will be with our dental hygienist. The hygienist is the person who will perform the professional cleaning of your teeth.
And what does a professional cleaning involve?
It involves two main steps. The first is called scaling. The hygienist will use special tools to carefully remove any plaque or tartar buildup from your teeth. The second step is polishing, where she will use a special paste to polish your teeth, making them feel very smooth and clean. After the cleaning, the second part of your appointment will be with the dentist, Dr. Miller. He will do a full examination of your teeth and gums. He will check for any cavities or other potential problems. And since you are a new patient, he will also want to take a set of x-rays of your teeth.
X-rays? Why are those necessary?
The x-rays are a very important diagnostic tool. They allow the dentist to see the parts of your teeth and jaw that are not visible to the naked eye. They help him to check the health of the roots of your teeth and to find any small cavities that might be hiding between your teeth.
I see. So the X-rays are to get a complete picture of my dental health. That makes sense. It sounds like a very thorough and comprehensive first visit.
It is. We like to be very thorough with our new patients to make sure we have a complete understanding of their oral health. Now, because of all these different parts, your first appointment will be a little bit longer than a regular checkup.
That is good to know. How long should I plan to be at the clinic? I need to know so I can arrange my work schedule for that day.
For a standard new patient appointment, which includes the paperwork, the x-rays, the full cleaning, and the dentist's examination, we usually ask you to allow for about 90 minutes in total.
90 minutes? An hour and a half? Okay, I will make sure to block out that much time in my calendar.
Perfect. Now, I just have a few more questions for you to complete your file. It is about insurance and payment.
Of course. I have dental insurance through my employer.
That is great. Could you please tell me the name of your insurance provider?
My insurance company is called Secure Smile Dental Insurance. Do you accept that plan?
Let me just check our list of approved providers. Yes, Secure Smile is on our list. We are an in-network provider for them, which is great news for you. It means you will get the best level of coverage.
Haha, that is a relief to hear. So, what do I need to do? Should I bring my insurance card with me to the appointment?
Yes, please. It is very important that you bring your insurance card with you on your first visit so that we can make a copy for our records.
I will definitely remember to do that. And how does the payment work? Do I have to pay for the whole visit and then get the money back from my insurance company later?
No, you do not. We handle all the paperwork for you. We will bill your insurance company directly for the portion of the visit that they cover. If there is any remaining co-payment that you are responsible for, we will send you a bill for that amount later.
You bill the insurance company directly. That is so convenient. It saves me a lot of paperwork.
We try to make the process as easy as possible for our patients. Now, there is just one last piece of important information that I need to share with you. It is about our clinic's cancellation policy.
A cancellation policy. Okay.
We understand that sometimes life is unpredictable and you may need to change your appointment. All that we ask is that you give us at least 48 hours notice if you need to cancel or reschedule.
So I need to call you at least 2 full days before the appointment if I cannot make it.
Exactly. That gives us enough time to offer the appointment slot to another patient who may be waiting for an opening.
That seems very fair and reasonable. What happens if I have a last-minute emergency and I have to cancel on the day of the appointment?
We do understand that real emergencies happen, but for last-minute cancellations or for appointments that are missed without any notification, we do have to charge a small cancellation fee. It is just to cover the cost of the time that was reserved for you with the dentist and the hygienist.
A small fee for a missed appointment. I understand completely. I will do my absolute best to be there on time for my appointment.
We appreciate that very much. Now, to help you remember your appointment, we have an automated reminder system.
Oh, that is very helpful. How does that work?
A few days before your scheduled appointment, our system will automatically send you a reminder. You can choose to receive this reminder as a text message to your mobile phone, as an email, or both. Which would you prefer?
I would like to receive both if that is possible. A text message and an email. That way I am very unlikely to forget about it.
Both it is. I have just updated your preferences in your file. So you will receive a confirmation email for this booking shortly, and then you will receive your reminders about 3 days before October 7th.
That is a fantastic service. I wish every office was this organized.
We do our best to make our patient's experience as smooth as possible, from the very first phone call.
Wow, you are definitely succeeding. I am very impressed with your clinic so far.
Thank you, David. That is very kind of you to say. So, before we finish our call, I am just going to confirm all the details with you one last time.
Yes, please.
I have you, David Chen, booked for a new patient checkup and cleaning with Dr. Miller. Your appointment is scheduled for Tuesday, October 7th at 4:30 in the afternoon. You should plan to be here for about 90 minutes. Is all of that correct?
That is all 100% correct.
Wonderful. We will look forward to welcoming you to our clinic then.
Thank you so much for all of your help today, Emma. You have been so clear and thorough. You have answered every single one of my questions.
It was my absolute pleasure. We are happy to have you as a new patient. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too. Goodbye.